Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you like fragrance, makeup, skincare, real people, and real talk, definitely subscribe to my channel. So today we're going to talk about something real popular. I've been getting a lot of questions here on YouTube and on my Instagram about perfume oils. So a lot of people have been like, girl, do you wear perfume oils? What do you think about them? Where do you get them from? Where do you get the good ones from? And I got an answer for y'all. So I don't know about y'all, but I've been wearing perfume oils for years. I used to get them from the African man standing outside the store all the time. And I've always loved perfume oils, especially when you can find the ones that actually smell like the fragrance. And I like perfume oils too because they help with the longevity of your fragrance, the sillage, and sometimes the perfume oil is all you need. So why not get a perfume oil? And they're a fraction of the price from the designer, the niche, and all of that. So I found some really good perfume oils and I'm excited because I'm like, oh, I'm about to buy a whole bunch more. Okay, so let's get into it. So let me know down in the comments if y'all wear perfume oils. Do y'all like perfume oils? And or have you been thinking about trying perfume oils? I think perfume oils are bomb. And I have 10 of them today. And man, 8 of them are spot on point. One of them is close. And then the other one, not so much. But they still both smell good. So we're going to get into all of them. And I'm going to let you guys know which ones are on point, where to get them from, and everything. So the company that I got these from is called Luxador Oils. You can find them on Instagram at Luxador Oils. I'll put everything down in the description box, or you can go to their website, luxadoroils.com. They are based in Dubai. They use authentic fragrance oils from Switzerland, and you can get anything from like a 10 ml of oil up to like 1,000 ml. So if you're somebody that, you know, you do candles, you can make your own perfumes, body oils, body mists, body creams, body butters, and everything, and add the oils in here, even diffusers, everything. So if you are somebody that makes those things or are interested in making those things with perfume fragrances, they have that for you, and it's affordable. So this is the cute little box that I got the 10 oil discovery set, so I can try out fragrances that I actually have owned and still own, so I can compare them and make sure that they were definitely satisfactory and up to par, so I can bring it to y'all and let y'all know if they were good or not. And they are good. So when you open the box, this is what the discovery set looks like. You can pick whatever oils you want to put in your discovery set. You can get their best sellers, whatever you want to do. They have men's, women's, unisex, all types of oils. So I'm gonna show y'all the 10 that I have, and I actually have the fragrances to go with most of them. If I don't have them, I used to have them, so I know exactly what they smell like. But some of the popular ones that they have that I don't have, but I know y'all really like these fragrances, is Black Opium, Love Don't Be Shy, Armani My Way, Good Girl Gone Bad, Burberry Her, Gucci Bloom. Like, it's so many of them that they have, but let's get into the ones that I have. None of these oils irritated my skin. They all wore really good on my skin. They lasted for hours upon hours upon hours, like at least 8 hours, like at least. So this is what the oils look like. It'll have the Luxador logo on there, and it'll tell you which fragrance you have right there on the label. They are roller balls, which I know some people don't like roller balls, but when it comes to perfume oils, most of them are roller balls. So I don't mind a roller ball when it's a perfume oil. So we're gonna start with these 3. These are 3 fragrances that I had last year, and I emptied all of them, so you know that I love them. You know I know what they smell like. So of course the first one is Vie Belle. This smells exactly like it. It smells fruity. You definitely get the fruity pear, the black currant, you got the praline, the vanilla, you got all of that stuff. Like, it smells exactly just like it. The sillage on it was good. Like, these are good. I guarantee you probably gonna get a compliment with these. Like, I got compliments with these oils on fragrances that I didn't even get a compliment with the actual fragrance. So that was a plus for me. And of course you can wear these on their own. You can wear it with the fragrance however you want to do it. This will definitely help you with the longevity of your fragrance. If you have a fragrance that you like but it's just not lasting as long as you want, get you the perfume oil, girl. It will definitely help. And y'all know I'm an oversprayer, but with the oils you really don't have to do much. I do both, one on each wrist, one behind each ear, inside both elbows, and the cleavage, and girl, you gonna smell good all day. So yes, the Vie Belle, this was on point, smells exactly like the fragrance. So if you love this, get this one. This one is Gucci Bamboo. I had Gucci Bamboo last year, and I emptied it. It just smells so good, so clean, so fresh. It's got bergamot in it, but to me the bergamot smells like green apple. It smells like a juicy green Granny Smith apple, and I just love that. It has some florals in it. I think it has ylang ylang in there, but it's really giving it like a little bit of a creaminess, and it smells so clean. It's so good to wear in the hot weather, and it's something about oils and the heat from your skin, the heat from outside, that just makes it really like project and give you a nice sillage. So this one smells on point too. Really good one. And then the last one that I used to have is Passione. so good. If you like fruity, this is a good one. It's got black currant, it's got pineapple, it's got pear, it's got so many fruits in it, and it's perfect. But it also smells fresh and powdery at the same time. So yeah, so I don't know about y'all, but even though I wear fragrance to bed, a nice fragrance oil is really nice for bed too, because you don't have to spray too much, you don't have to do too much, you know what I mean? Just a couple of rolls on your pulse points and you good to go. So yeah, so these are the 3 that I had last year, and they all smell on point. So these are officially approved by me. Now let's get into the current ones that I currently have. So I have La Nuit Tresor, and if you are not familiar with this fragrance, get into it. It's something about Lancome fragrances. If you are looking for a designer fragrance that has good longevity and sillage, Lancome hits the mark. It really does. Now, La Nuit Tresor has everything and the kitchen sink in it. We talking strawberries and rose and praline and patchouli and vanilla and everything in it. But it smells so good. So La Vie Belle is like the one I would wear like in the daytime, and then La Nuit Tresor is more of a nighttime vibe for me. So this one is so good. Smells just like the fragrance. Man, the longevity and the sillage on all of these were so good. I was definitely surprised. So now I can definitely pair these 2 together, because I know this smells just like this. I can wear this alone. If I don't want to pair them together, I can just wear this. So yeah, La Nuit Tresor is approved. The next one is Jadore. Now with this one actually smells more like Jadore Doe to me. This one I can really get like honeysuckle in it, and it really smells like Jadore but a little bit more green, and that's kind of how this one smells. A little more milky. That's kind of how this smells. I've been wearing the original Jadore for years. I finished that one last year too, and then I decided to get this one to wear for bed because it has that nice milky type of Jadore vibe, and this smells closer to this to me. And this is another designer house that wears very well. Like as far as Jadore goes, the original and this one, good longevity, good projection, good sillage. Like you will be smelled with this, and this smells just like it. So yep, approved. Now these next 3, we all know that the original fragrance smells good, but when I wore these oils by themselves, I got compliments. Got the compliments. I've gotten compliments before with the fragrance too, but it seemed like with the oils it was just like way more, like people could really smell it, and I was like, okay. So now I'm like super excited, because now that I got these 10 mls and I know that the fragrances smell just like, or the oil smell just like the fragrances, now I want to get bigger sizes of the oils, because I want to start mixing it like in my unscented body creams when I'm wearing these fragrances. So I want to do that too. So this one is Manga Lime, and it smells just like Manga Lime. So this is just such a good way to save money too. If you don't want to actually buy the fragrance, girl, get these oils. They like $12. Wow, it's so crazy how they get that in there. And then we always talk about oil concentration in our fragrances. We want more oil concentration so we get more longevity and more projection and all of that. So if you're going straight to the oil, straight to the source, you are going to smell amazing for a long time. So yep, this one, Manga Lime, this one smells just like it. So if you love this and you want to try it, yes. Next one is Chanel Chance Au Tendre. This has been a fave of mine for years and years and years and years. So I had to definitely try this, because I know this is a popular fragrance. A lot of people like it in all types of age groups. And this is one of the fragrances where you can wear this anytime, any place, anywhere. So that's why I definitely want to try the oil, because you can put this on to go anywhere, to work, to brunch, to a wedding, to anywhere, and it's just going to perform and do what it's supposed to do. And it smells just like the fragrance, like just like it. Girl, you can't even tell the difference. I sure couldn't when I was wearing it. I was like, oh, these smell just like it. I'm so in shock, because these are some really good perfume oils. Now the last one that I was super impressed with, so all of the ones that I've shown you so far I have been super impressed with, and this is another one, and this is ATTRAPE Red by Louis Vuitton. Now this is a pricey fragrance. This is like a $300 bottle. A lot of people don't want to pay that, and you don't find these on discounted sites. Girl, the oil, get the oil. I'm telling you, this smells just like this. Like, why pay $300 when you can pay $12? You do the math. So I was really impressed with that one, because this is such an expensive bottle. You know what I mean? Like, it's more than the designer ones. So I was like, once we start getting into the other type of the higher end designers and the niche, how is it gonna smell? You know what I'm saying? So this is designer, but this is more of a more expensive type of designer. So I wanted to try this, and this was on point as well. So all the designer ones were really good, and this one was as well. Okay, so the last two. Now this one was really close. It wasn't like spot on, but it definitely was really close, and that is Delena Exclusive. So with Delena Exclusive, I felt like the oil smells really good, and it smells like it, very, very close to it. I feel like the oil is slightly a more incensey. So if you don't like incense, then I'm not sure if you would like that, like this. But it definitely has the Delena Exclusive in there with a little bit more incense. So this one, I would say, like all the other ones, I mean, 100% spot on, like 95 to 100%. But this one, I'm giving it more like an 85 to 90 because it smells like it, but this is a little bit more creamy, a little bit more rosy, and less incensey. Even though I know incense is in here, this has a little bit more of that incensiness, giving it more of a like a spice. So this was close. I would say 85 to 90. And then last is Black Phantom. Y'all know I had to try this one because this is one of my favorite fragrances, so I had to try this one. Now I will have to be honest with y'all, this was the least smelling like the fragrance to me. Yeah, this one, it's close, but not as close as I would like it to be. This one is a little more spicy. It's a little more something else going on in there. Yeah, this is more chocolate creamy, deep, rich, and this is a little more, I don't know, it's something like maybe fruity in there, or yeah, the spicy. Yeah, this one was the one that was least most like the actual fragrance to me, but you know, hey, 8 out of 10 ain't bad, okay? So, but I have to be honest with y'all and let y'all know what I think. So once you start getting into the niche ones, just test them out and see which ones, you know, you think that come very close to your fragrance. And if you've never had the fragrance and you're looking for something close to the fragrance, then maybe you can go with some of these for the niche ones. But I will let you know right now that the designer ones are on point, and I highly recommend those. So of course I will leave all the details for the Luxador oils, their website, their Instagram, and everything down in the description box, so you guys can give them a try, because these oils are top tier. I'm very satisfied, especially with all the designer ones. I'm very, very satisfied. So if you are a perfume oil lover, I highly recommend them. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and of course subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.